DIVERSI-TECH was founded in 1984 with our portable line of FRED Fume Extractors. FRED was pretty simple. It was filtration that was reusable, energy efficient, and dramatically improved pollution. DIVERSI-TECH was acquired by Absolent Care Group in 2019, and from our humble beginnings in 1984 to our global presence today, DIVERSI-TECH has always been driven by innovation and commitment to excellence.
Our flagship products are the Portable Mini-Vac, the FRED Junior, the Monsoon Downdraft Table, and our Wet Collector series.
DIVERSI-TECH primarily serves metal fabrication and general manufacturing facilities. Our core industries are aerospace, automotive, medical device companies, and educational facilities like welding labs.
Here at DIVERSI-TECH, we are honest and transparent, and we treat our stakeholders with respect and consideration. For us, it's not just about meeting rules and regulations, it's about offering real solutions that offer lasting benefits to our employers and their employees.
We're dedicated to enabling a healthy working environment through our advanced clean air solutions. We're always improving, innovating, and building a strong engineering heritage here at DIVERSI-TECH. We're willing to go above and beyond for our customers no matter what it takes.
Customer satisfaction isn't just a goal, it's our promise. At DIVERSI-TECH, we ensure every client experiences the highest standard of service.
Each product at DIVERSI-TECH is a testament to our dedication to quality and efficiency in air care.
With the proper care and maintenance, our products can last your manufacturing facility for decades to come.
The long-term benefit of FRED is to cycle the dirty air, remove the toxic substances, remove the dust particle from the air, so the worker of our factory can breathe and work in the clean air.
Our teammates are the driving force that move DIVERSI-TECH forward. Tackling air pollution will be one of our generation's greatest challenges. At Absolent Care Group, we take great responsibility to be the force of change. With our advanced air cleaning solutions, we enable a healthy, clean world where it's safe to breathe in any manufacturing facility.